Okay, this is a review of the BougeRV 42 quart refrigerator freezer. It's a great product. I am camping now and it's plugged into my battery power station, and when it's running on eco mode, which it is now, as you can see from the control panel, it only draws about 40 watts, and in boost mode it draws about 60 watts, so it's great. I've currently got it set to 7 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's been running like that for 2 days with no problems at all. I have got it in the insulated cover, which is a great buy, I think. I'll show you. It's fully silver on the inside and very thick, insulated, padded, and you've got 2 pockets for your power cables. Nice handle, both ends, cutouts to allow you to have your handles, and you've got the control panel, which you can still touch panel, which you can still operate through the cover. I'll show you inside. So it's stacked full of food at the moment. This is the freezer compartment, and everything is staying rock solid frozen. There's a lot of containers to keep the food separate, which is good. There's a separator in the middle, but I'll remove that to give you more space. This is the refrigerator section, which is just, suitable for bottles of water. You have to use the small bottles because you're limited to the size. These are milks, but it's great for keeping stuff cool, as well as vegetables. No, it's a great refrigerator. A good catch on the lid and everything. You've got Velcro on the cover here, which snugs down nicely to keep everything cool. Keeps the heat out. I love it. Had a few problems with the first one that I received. It wouldn't get to temperature, but I contacted BougeRV customer support, and Maya, the person I was emailing back and forward, she was great. They've got great customer support. I really recommend their customer support and their products. We isolated the problem and they sent me a replacement, which was great. So I love this fridge. I would recommend it to anybody that does camping for, I'm camping for a week, and providing you've got enough battery power station to power it. I've got a 1200 watt battery power station that I plug it into, which is fed by 2 100 watt solar panels, and that keeps my battery charged up, and it's great. I love it. So thoroughly recommend the BougeRV 42 quart fridge freezer.
Just doing a quick review of the BougeRV 53 quart, I believe. It's great for trucking, I'll tell you that. I'm in a Kenworth. As you can see, it fits right in there and fits quite nicely in a 64-inch bunk. It's super quiet. You barely hear it when it turns on, and when it's on you also barely hear it. The bunk heater is louder than the fridge itself. It's a fridge and freezer, does both. I pack enough in here for 5 days straight, 5 14-hour days, and I can pack enough food in here for that time period. And it stays, got it set at 4 degrees Celsius. It stays between 3 and 5 usually, and works really well. I was having an issue. The snowflake was flashing. I didn't know what that meant. I sent an email. The guy responded to me immediately. and said, oh, just hold down on the power button for 5 seconds, and it started working again. And my cross shift who swings on this truck, she's also been using it, so it's been running non-stop for about a month, and super happy with it. And it was much cheaper than the competitions, and I'm really happy. Like I say, super quiet, which is awesome. And it's a fridge, it's not just one of those coolers that keeps stuff, you know, just 10 degrees less than air temperature. So highly recommend it, and the service was awesome. The guy emailed me a bunch of times. Good luck with it.
I have it set to -4, and it's at -2 right now.
So now we are providing the detailed query for all conditions with all.
Plugged in direct, temperature, waiting 24 hours to see if it cools.